Hello, you are welcome to another interesting topic. If by chance you have watched my content on converting poultry waste to wealth by using poultry feather meal, poultry feathers, converting poultry feathers to byproducts in producing poultry and livestock feeds, please go and watch that particular content. It's going to help you to understand this particular content now. In this content, I'm going to give you 5 in 1. 5 in 1. That 5 in 1 means I'm going to give you 5 different feed formula using or including poultry feather meals. 1. You're going to learn how to make use of the poultry feather meal in broiler starter, how to make poultry feather meal in broiler growers, how to make use of the poultry feather meal in broiler finisher, how to make use of the poultry feather meal in chick mash, that is layers chick mash, that is layer starter. Now, and how to make use of the poultry feather meal in layers mash, that is adult laying birds. This is what you're going to learn in this particular content. Before I go into the details, I will simply give you overview or simple introduction of all these feed formulae I mentioned here for you to have an idea of what they're going to do for you in your farm and the way you're going to make use of them. 1, we are starting with broiler starter. That is broiler starter using feather meal. Broiler starter feed is essential for the health and growth and development of young chicks. Incorporating feather meal in broiler starter feed or a byproduct of poultry processing into starter feed can provide a very valuable source of protein to the young chicks, most especially broiler, at the starting point. This introduction sets the stage for discussing the nutritional benefits and considerations of using feather meal in broiler starter feed. The next one is broiler growers. Broiler growers, once the birds come in at a chick at the old, you take good care of them till throughout the brooding stage. I don't know how long you brood their own chicks, maybe depending on the season, 1 week, 2 weeks, or 3 weeks, they're out of the brooding stage, they start taking the grower feed. The grower feed plays very crucial role in supporting the growth and development of broiler chickens as they transition from the starter stage to maturity. Then, including this poultry feather meal in grower feed can provide a sustainable source of protein and essential nutrient for the optimal growth and development of this chicken. This introduction introduces the concept of using the feather meals in broiler grower feed and its potential benefit at that level. The next one is broiler finisher feed using poultry feather meals. Broiler finisher feed is designed to support the final stage of growth in broiler chickens, preparing them for slaughter or for market. Poultry feather can be a valuable ingredient in finisher feed, providing a very good source of protein and essential nutrient needed for the growth and optimal weight of your broiler and to give you maximum results. This introduction highlights the importance of using feather meal in broiler finisher feed and its role in optimizing growth and development. Next one is the layers mash with poultry feather meal and poultry adult layers with broiler poultry feathers also. Layers chick are almost the early stage of broiler. Then you have layer bears, irrespective of their breed. Then these are bears that are going to be kept for the purpose of giving you eggs. And we call them at that early stage of their life chick, layers chick. And their feed is called layers chick mash. Why the laying bears is called layers adult feed. Now, for you to formulate a feed that will meet the specific nutritional needs of laying hens, including poultry feather, means in their nutrients, can provide a sustainable source of protein and essential nutrients needed or supporting the egg production and overall health of your laying birds, either chick or the adult. This introduction sets the stage of discussing the benefits of using feather meal in layers, chick mash, and adult laying birds. So if you have gotten this right clearly, the next thing I want you to understand is that this feed formula will include all the products needed for energy, for fiber, for minerals, for calcium, minerals, vitamins, and other supplements that is needed for the growth of your poultry base to make the feed balance. Please, at this juncture, if this is the first time or coming across this particular platform, please tap subscribe right now before we go into details. Subscribe, activate the notification bell so that anytime I come with an interesting topic like this, you will be among the first set that will get notified by this wonderful and great app. I thank all my returning viewers, my subscribers, wherever you are, those that are watching all my content from day one till today. May God continue to bless and prosper your business. I will gladly advise you to watch this content till the end. Don't skip any track at all, because I'm going to give you detailed explanation of all these feed formula. This is going to be a balanced ration that will give you the maximum result within short period of time. So you don't need to skip any track at all. Right now, the broiler starter feed using feather meal is crucial in the early stage of chick life, providing the necessary nutrients for health and for their healthy growth and development. Feather meal is a byproduct of poultry processing industries and can be a valuable ingredient in broiler starter or the broiler starter feed due to its high protein content. Then incorporating them, all this feather meal into the feed can help reduce waste in the society and improve sustainability of poultry production. A typical broiler starter feed using feather meal may include ingredients such as corn, soya meal, wheat bran, fish meal, poultry feather meal, limestone, salts, vitamins and mineral premix. All these will be included. So it's not the feather alone, but the feather meal is the major protein content. So feather meal provides a source of high quality protein, essential for muscle development and overall growth. Then when formulating broiler starter feed with feather meal, it is essential to consider the nutritional requirements of that chick and ensure that the feed you are formulating is completely balanced and meets their requirements. Broiler starter can convert efficiently 21 to 24% crude protein. So including up to 24% crude protein in their broiler starter meal is good. Proper processing and sterilization of feather meal is also crucial to ensure its safety and effectiveness in the feed. Right now, watch the feed formula, protein, vitamins, minerals, and other supplement that is needed to make this feed balanced. You see, as they are scrolling, as they are moving up and down, you see their content and what you need to include for this feed to be balanced. Please don't distract yourself from making this feed a viable product for your sustainability in the particular business. And make sure that you include all as it is required, as it is stated for you here. Don't remove anyone at all. Now, the next one is broiler growers feed using poultry feeder meals. Broiler grower feed is designed to support the continued growth and development of broiler chickens as they transition from the starter stage to maturity. Poultry feeder can be a valuable ingredient in broiler grower feed, providing a source of protein and essential nutrients needed for their upgrowth and development. Therefore, incorporating feeder meal into broiler grower feed can be helpful and also guide the birds, and at the same time help to maintain best growth rate and the overall health system. Feeder meal is rich in protein, which is essential for muscle development and maintaining of body condition in growing broilers. A typical broiler grower formula using feeder meal may include ingredients such as soya bean, wheat bran, fish meal, poultry feeder meal, limestone, salt, vitamin and mineral premix. All these are in one. The feeder meal contribute to the overall protein content of the poultry feed, ensuring that the birds receive adequate nutrition for their optimal growth. As you see the formula, if you have any question, please drop it on the comment section. And make sure you don't tamper with this formula. It is properly formulated and balanced to give you the best results. Next one is broiler finisher feed using poultry feeder meal. Broiler finisher feed is formulated to support the final stage of growth and development of broiler chickens, preparing them for slaughter or for market. Poultry feeder meal can be a valuable ingredient in broiler finisher feed, providing a good source of protein and essential nutrient needed for their optimal growth and development. Therefore, incorporating poultry feeder meal in broiler finisher feed can be helpful, and it will also help to ensure that the birds reach their target or their target weight efficiently and at the appropriate time, thereby producing high quality meat. Feeder meal is rich in protein, which make it essential for muscle development and meat production in broilers. You know that broiler is a meat producing bird, and any feed source or feed raw material that will give you that maximum weight is what you need for you to achieve and for you to make profit. A typical broiler finisher feed formula using feeder meal may include ingredients such as corn, soya bean meal, wheat bran, fish meal, poultry feeder meal, limestone, salt, vitamin and mineral premix, and other ingredients or essential micronutrients. When we talk of our micronutrients, we're talking about methionine, lysine, and antioxidants or preservatives if the feed is going to stay too long in your farm. The feeder meal contribute to the overall protein content of the feed, ensuring that the birds receive the necessary nutrients needed for their optimal growth and development. The next one is layers chick mash with feeder meal. You see, layers chick mash is specifically formulated to meet the nutritional need of young laying hens. This particular feed is very important because if you dare make any mistake, your investment is in vain, because at the time you will be waiting to reap the fruit of your labor, they may not give you that desired egg quality or quantity you need. Unlike broilers, no matter how you feed them, at least you will say something. But if chick or layers hen grow and they don't give you any egg, your investment is gone, because even if you sell the chick, it will not give you the amount of money you have invested in their production. So layers chick mash is specifically formulated to meet the nutritional needs of young laying hens, supporting their growth and development. Therefore, poultry feather meal can be a valuable ingredient in layer chick mash, providing a source of protein and essential nutrient needed for them to achieve this goal in your farm. Incorporating poultry feather meal into their layers chick mash can help to ensure that the young chicks receive the necessary nutrients for their overall head development and early egg production. Not even early egg, quality egg production at the time needed. Chick mash is all about 18 to 20% crude protein. Feather meal is rich in protein, which is essential for muscle development and egg formation in laying hens. A typical layer chick mash formulation or formula using poultry feather may be including products like corn, soybean meal, wheat offal, pancake cake, wheat bran, fish meal, poultry feather meal, limestone, salt, vitamin and mineral premix, and other and micronutrients like lysine, methionine, and antioxidants, and other ones. The feather meal contribute to the overall protein content of the feed, ensuring that the young hens receive adequate nutrition for optimal growth and early egg production. Next one and the final one is the poultry adult layers feed with poultry feather meal. Poultry adult feeds is formulated to meet the nutritional needs of matured laying hens, maybe at the late stage of 20 weeks. 20 weeks, yes. From 16 to 20 weeks, good layers must have started laying at least up to 30%. Therefore, supporting this hen and their egg production ability and their overall health with poultry feather meal can be a valuable ingredient in the adult laying bed and providing a good source of protein and essential nutrients for their optimal growth and development. Incorporating poultry feather meal into their feed can help maintain the best egg production and overall health. Feather meal is rich in protein, which is essential for egg formulation and maintaining of body condition in laying hens. A typical adult layers feed formulation using poultry feather meal may include ingredients such as corn, soybean, wheat offal, pancake cake, wheat grains, brands like fish meal, poultry feather meal, limestone, salt, vitamin and mineral premix, and other antioxidants and micronutrients. The feather meal contribute to the overall poultry source of the feed, ensuring that the laying hens receive the necessary nutrients for the optimal egg laying at the right time and in good health. In conclusion, poultry feather meal can be a valuable ingredient in various poultry feed, including four-legged animals, providing a source of protein and essential nutrients for broilers, layers, and other poultry birds like noilers, turkey, geese, duck, ostrich, and rest of them. When used appropriately and in conjunction with other feed ingredients, feather meal can help improve the sustainability and efficiency of poultry production, reducing waste and maximizing the use of poultry production resources, and making the environment clean and safe for everyone. This is what I have for you in this content. Go through this formula. If you have any question regarding any of them, please be calm. Ask your question and I will answer them. If you have any contribution or any other content you want me to treat for you or you want me to develop for you, please drop it on the comment section. If you have any other question in any of the content I've even released or the one you want me to release, please drop it on the comment section. Or you have any contribution to the growth of this particular platform, drop it on the comment section as well. Good content is very interesting and you have found it very necessary and educative and helpful in your business. Look for thumb up and give it a thumb up. A thumb up right now. Do that. If you're not subscribed by this time, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, activate the notification bell, and drop your comment. Share this video. Most especially, it's going to help them to drop the cost of their rearing their poultry and livestock animals, and at the same time help them to maximize their profit. One good turn, they said, deserves another. Till I come with another interesting topic. Please, if you have not watched the content on the use of poultry feather meal in feed production, that is converting waste to wealth, look for it. It's on the. I'll drop the link so that you'll be able to watch it because it works together with this particular content. Bye.